Hello and welcome to another Microsoft Excel for Accounting tutorial on how to make a balance sheet in account form. If this is your first one, you need to open a new one, just a blank template, and save it as Templates Excel. And I'm just going to double click on the sheet name. If it's a new one, you won't have to add a sheet, but you can double click on it and we'll call it balance sheet space account form, and I'm gonna have to call it form 2. You'll just call it account form just because I already have it done, but I'm redoing it for purposes of the tutorial. So we're just gonna look at this one, and you're gonna see that I've got merged cells here, columns 1 through A through E for first, second, and third row. So let's start off by highlight and merge and center. Highlight, merge and center, highlight, merge and center. You do that 3 times. And the top row is company name. The second one is what report form it is, and it is a balance sheet. And the third row is the date. Then we've got a space in the middle. So you'll notice that there's a column in the middle, and then we've got assets are on the left, liabilities on the right, and owner equity on the right, and then total here. So to start off with, I'm just going to copy this. And I am going to paste it here, Control V. And remember, if you go between A and B and double click, it will auto fit. Then you should pause the video and type in these. Cash is almost always there. Accounts receivable is almost always there. And then they've got different assets depending on the company, and you've got spaces for more if you need. Then you've got a total assets here. So pause the video, type that down. Then I'm going to thin out the C and fatten the B column a little bit. And I'm going to go back to this one, and I'm going to copy this, and I'll let you pause the video again. Control V. And how do you do it? You go between the D and the E, double click to auto fit, and pause the video and type in these. You've got a heading. How do you make these bold? You just hit B right here to make these bold, this one bold, and then you've got to put in some lines. So when you are doing total assets, you need to put a top border right here. So that adds it up. And then here should have double solid bottom border. And this one should have a double solid bottom. And your total liabilities should have a top border, and that should have a line underneath it. So, and these 3 should be bolded. And the top one here and the top one here should be right click, format cells, accounting with a $sign. And then this one should be right click, format cells, accounting with a $sign. Same with this one. Accounting with a $sign, and this one, right click, format cells, accounting with a $sign. And all the ones in between should be right click, format cells, accounting with no $sign. So in between, right click, format cells, accounting with no dollar sign. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to insert a comment, and you're going to look at an example. So I'm going to insert a comment right here, and you're going to say page 6, and that's a good example. So we'll just say page 6 example, and whenever you put in a comment in my class, I want it to include your name. So it can't say Henry Verbeek. It should say your name, full name, page 6 example. And that is how you make a balance sheet in account form. Thanks for watching.